Good morning and welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can check your mutual friends on Snapchat on iOS. So this is basically iOS. As you guys can see, I've just opened App Store over here, so I think you guys can believe this is iPhone. If you don't, then I can show you its interface as well. So this is basically an iOS device over here, and I'm going on my Snapchat. Now to see like mutual friend and Snapchat, there is a way. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. So basically, what is mutual friend? So mutual friend is, let's say I'm added with Kevin and Kevin is also added with Suyog, but I'm not added with Suyog. So what this is going to show me is Suyog is a mutual friend of Kevin, which means is Kevin is added with Suyog, but I have not added Suyog, I've only added Kevin. That's what mutual friend is. And Snapchat is going to show you mutual friends because Snapchat thinks you might know this person because your friend knows him. All right, so that's the way like Snapchat shows you the mutual friend. So let me show you guys how you guys can see mutual friend. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. Let's move on. So first step, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen, more like a profile, animation or like Bitmoji. Once over here, scroll a bit down, click on add friend. And everybody you see right below quick add is a friend, or in another word is a mutual friend. All these people are added with some of my friends over here. All these people are mutual friend. But in Snapchat, just like in Facebook, it's not going to show you who these people are added with, but they are added with some of my friends over here. That's why it's being displayed over here. These are all mutual friends, so you got to know that. All right, Snapchat is not going to exactly show you like who these people are added with, but they are mutual friend. I know Ronish is added with one of my friends Yog, which I've added over here, as you guys can see. I know Ronish is added with one of my friend over here, Badaloli. That's why it's being displayed. So everybody under that quick add section is a mutual friend. All right, so that's how you guys can check your mutual friend on Snapchat on iOS. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.